Good afternoon. This is Chris with Turner Properties, standing in Dawsons Park neighborhood here in Lexington, South Carolina. I'm standing in front of 910 Dawsons Park here. New construction. We're checking it out for our client. Just was being built, I should say. So as you can see, this one is this is going to be number 910. Then we got 914 and 918. These three. So let's take a look around. It kind of backs up to the right side, backs up to the houses to the right. So this one obviously has got the most completion on it. We've got a couple more down here that are rolling along nicely, but this one, they've got the cabinets in. Let's kind of take a peek around. You can really get a good idea. They got the drywall in, the doors, everything, so that's all looking good. This is an investment property. These rent very, very well. Typically $1,600 to $1,700 a month. So if you're looking for a build to rent product, this is a great product. So we've got our living room here. On these particular ones, now this neighborhood is completely sold out, so you can't buy in here anymore unless it's a resale. But it is a little tight in the back. As you can see, they all back up. There's a fence here and then some shrubbery, bushes and stuff, kind of wild stuff growing. So you don't have a real deep back, but you do have some privacy. There are other units back there, but you've got enough trees where you can't see them too well. You can see the roof line of those over there. But they're all pretty much going to look the same as this one. And then we've got our one-car garage here. There's the wiring for the opener. So coming along nicely. These should be done here pretty soon. I like the metal rails on the stairs. Let's check out upstairs. Upstairs, these are kind of cool because they've got a little wider hallway up here. Your washer and dryer connections are up here. One bedroom here. Another bedroom on the back. Here's our full bath. They just have the shower insert in there right now. The front is the master. Of course, it's the bigger bedroom of the three. We got the, of course, it's going to have has a full bath here. And there's your shower basin. So this one's going to have a stand-up shower. I really like the cool design on these doors. That's really nice. And it does have a good sized walk-in closet. We've been waiting on these to start for many, many months. There have been a lot of delays with dealing with the county and permits as well as materials. So it's great to see these coming out of the ground. All right, here's 914 or lot 402. So this is the next one over. This one isn't quite as far along. I see the drywall man in here working. There we go. We're getting drywall up. It's a little different layout here, but you can definitely see the level of construction we got going on in here. So this one's definitely got a little more work to do. Slightly different floor plan. A little deeper bathroom in this one. Here's our secondary bedrooms. And then we've got our large master. And then a little different master bedroom, or bathroom, excuse me. Here's the next one, lot 403. Looks to be pretty much in the same state. Getting drywall put up. This appears to be the same floor plan as the first one. Yes, and the exact same layout. So coming along nicely. Kind of check it out from back behind. And these are the three, 1, 2, and 3. Well, thanks for checking out these properties today. This is Chris with Turner Properties. If you're looking for a build to rent portfolio in the Columbia or Lexington market, please check us out at turnerproperties.com. Thanks and have a great day.